You can view your scene by navigating with cameras in the View panel. To manipulate any camera, you can choose the navigation tools from the View Camera Tools menu. There are hotkeys for tumble, track, and dolly, which are the most common navigation tools. To use the tumble tool, press Alt plus left-click and drag. To use the track tool, press Alt plus middle-click and drag. And to use the dolly tool, press Alt plus right-click and drag. To rectangle zoom, press Ctrl plus Alt and drag over the area where you want to zoom in. You can also use the 2D pan and zoom tool, which doesn't actually move the camera. You can use this tool for viewing details in specific areas and for rotoscopy work on image planes that are attached to the camera. You can also click its icon in the title bar or press the / hotkey to activate this tool. In its options, you can switch modes between 2D pan and 2D zoom. Press Ctrl and drag over an area to rectangle zoom in. To deactivate the tool, press the / hotkey or click its icon again. If you want to undo any navigation change, you can choose View, Undo View Change, or press Alt plus Z. To redo that change, choose Redo View Change, or press Alt plus Y. You can also toggle among the previous camera views by pressing the open bracket key, or the next camera views by pressing the closed bracket key. To return to the camera's default view, choose View, Default View, or press Alt plus Home. You can set up how the camera transitions from one view to the next in the Preferences window. When this option is on, the camera moves smoothly between views. But you'll probably want to keep this option off so that the camera snaps from one position to the next, which is faster and more useful for blocking out shots. When the size of the view panel changes, you may notice that the scene seems to jump and change the zoom level. To make it jump less when the view panel changes, select the Camera Settings Vertical option to keep the scene framed vertically in the panel. You can frame the selected object in a view by pressing F, and frame it in all views by pressing Shift plus F. To frame all objects in a view, either press A or press F with nothing selected. And to frame all objects in all views, press Shift plus A. In addition to framing, you can choose View Look At Selection. This tracks the camera so that selected objects are at the center of the view, but doesn't zoom with the camera as happens when you frame selected objects.